Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down apps that can transform your money management game. Today, we're tackling the Goodbudget app, a user-friendly tool based on the classic envelope budgeting system. If you're looking to get a handle on your spending and save more effectively, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, what is Goodbudget? It's a digital version of the envelope method, where you allocate your money into virtual envelopes for different categories like groceries, rent, or entertainment. This helps you visualize and control your budget without the hassle of physical cash. To get started, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. It's free and quick. Once installed, sign up with your email or connect via Google. You'll be prompted to set up your budget. Begin by entering your total monthly income, then create envelopes for your key expense categories. For example, allocate $500 to groceries or $1,000 to rent. Make sure to prioritize essentials first. Now, for everyday use. When you make a purchase, open the app and add a transaction. Select the appropriate envelope, enter the amount, and categorize it, whether it's a debit, credit, or cash transaction. Goodbudget will automatically deduct from that envelope, so you'll see at a glance if you're over budget. One of the coolest features is the syncing option if you have a partner, perfect for couples managing joint finances. Don't forget to reconcile your envelopes regularly, like at the end of the week, to ensure everything adds up. A few pro tips. Start small with a simple budget to avoid overwhelm, set reminders for bill payments, and review your spending patterns monthly to adjust as needed. This way, you'll build better financial habits over time. There you have it, a straightforward guide to mastering the Goodbudget app. Give it a try, and watch your savings grow. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.